Up. Today we're going to be changing the oil on a Scag Freedom Z. Alright, this little deal right here, here's your oil drain. Loosen that up. I've already done this step. I forgot to record it though. Put your pan under there. You can see your oil dripping out. There's your oil filter. Now after you've let the oil drain out, now start this thing up and let it warm up so your oil flow out real good. Alright, now once you've done that, you're going to close this back up. It's a 10 millimeter. And you need to use a short socket to get on there. Now don't heat man that. Just snug it up real good. Pull your filter off. Take your new filter. Fill it up with oil and let it set for about 2 minutes and let that media or matter or whatever's in there, let it fill up and soak that oil up. Screw that one off. Screw the new one on. Put your oil in here. Hope you've enjoyed the video.